have any tips on how to do a really quick profile face?
I mean, it's just been practice. I just usually, sometimes, I don't know if I can explain this. I draw, see that line that goes down?
Can you just lower it a little bit? I can't see. Yeah.
I'm really just trying to get the silhouette. I'm not getting hung up on like a perfect profile, because actually no one's really looking at a perfect profile. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's not a perfect profile. It's really just, I mean, to me, what I'm seeing is like a very neat head of the way her hair is slicked back.
Yeah.
So, I mean, technically it's not the perfect profile. It's the indication of a profile. If that makes
Yeah.
sense.
But you put the eyes in.
I put the eyes in just because it kind of grounds it.